Hey guys, I just want to talk about this new product called NanoDefense Pro. What this is basically a nanotechnology solution that supports healthy nails and skin. So if you are suffering from nail fungus, this might be a good product to look into. It has clinically researched ingredients, foot microbiome support. It's for clean and healthy nails, protective nanoparticles. So basically, when we apply regular creams and lotions to our skin, it's like trying to tend a delicate garden with only a large rake. So these regular creams and lotions only addresses the surface area and they miss the intricate details that lie beneath. So with nanotechnology, this is like being equipped with precision gardening tools that can tend to every flower, plant, and hidden nook of our garden. So basically, it takes care of the entire garden rather than a specific part of the garden. So these molecules are very tiny. They are about 1,000 times smaller than those found in the regular creams and lotions, and they can delve deep, nurturing your skin and nails at the very core. These molecules are designed to work their magic in the deeper layers, reaching spots that were previously untouched. And by using nanotechnology, we're providing thorough, deep-rooted care, ensuring your skin and nails flourish in the best environment possible. So now let's talk about the ingredients. So inside of every drop of NanoDefense Pro, it includes a blend of selected nano ingredients carefully mixed to complement one another into a powerful formula and contribute to the health of your nails and skins. It encompasses a lot of ingredients such as nano silver, nano curcumin, nano quercetin, and all these ingredients to combine into a powerful formula. So it's a natural formula, it's non-GMO, no stimulants, and easy to use. Now let's talk about the pricing. If you order 6 bottles or 3 bottles, you also get 2 free bonuses. So they're giving away bonus number 1, the Skin Fix Flies tips and tricks for defeating eczema, psoriasis, and other skin conditions. And bonus number 2, you'll get access to America's 8 costliest healthcare mess-ups and how you can avoid them. So these are the 2 bonuses that you'll get access if you order either 3 or 6 bottles of NanoDefense Pro. And every order comes with free shipping too, so you don't have to pay for shipping. Now let's talk about the pricing. So for 1 bottle of this NanoDefense Pro, it's $69 per bottle. If you buy 6 bottles, you'll have to pay around $49 per bottle. And if you order 3 bottles, you'll be paying $59 per bottle. And you get access to the free ebooks when you order 3 or 6 bottles. They also give you a 100% money back guarantee. So, and there's some questions you can read if you have more questions here. So what I'll do is I will leave a link in the description so you can come to this page and check out and read what this is and what it does. So this is the official link of NanoDefense Pro. You can only buy it through this page. You cannot buy it anywhere else. So I'll leave a link to the official page in the description. So if you're having nail fungus and you're looking for a solution, this may be a good product to look into. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in another one.